Now you guys see this? You guys saw that, right? This is what the storm looked like. Look at that. I want to put this in my YouTube video. You guys see? I mean, wow. Look at this. I want to put this in my video for the second. That's crazy. You guys saw that? Wherever you guys are, please be safe. This is the warning video. Storm is crazy. You guys saw that, right? Don't worry about me, guys. I'm safe. The storm not get me inside my house. The storm went out there. Whoa, that's crazy. You guys saw that? We had blackouts here a lot of times. And this storm is crazy of it. I hope poor animals be okay in a storm like this. It would be the last thing. No. Wherever you guys are, please be safe. This storm will be the last. Whoa. I want to record this video for you guys to see what's going on outside of my house. Look at that. And look at that. Just be safe, you guys. Please, for my sake. Be safe. I want to be on YouTube video for a little while my video is downloading. This video will be long, I promise you. Or short, that matter. It will be short. It had long numbers. I will stop recording at number 4.